What's up guys? Today I have this 3D sweater design to show you. And the best part about these is you will not need any gel to recreate them. So let's get to the tutorial. For this mani I used a gray, a light pink, and a dark teal. I painted my index and pinky with that gray, my middle nail with pink, and my ring nail with teal. And add a second coat to make the polish opaque. And to create this design, I used these new 3D appliques from Sally Hansen. I knew I had to try these after I saw Hannah Rocks Nails use them on her channel, and I picked these up at Wallgreens. And it's basically a textured sticker. So the first thing I do is cut up the stickers to separate them. Then I chose the 5 I wanted to use, and I round off the ends so they fit the nail a little better. And you can check to see if it'll fit your nail by checking before you take the back off. So once you're happy, go ahead and peel off the applique and place it right on your nail. Now note, if you have curved nails like me, it's a little tricky to get all of it to stick down perfectly, but it will work. It just takes a little more effort to get there. So go ahead and repeat this process for all the nails. I found it best to try and press down all the sides at once so you don't have anything sticking up, but you can see what I'm doing here. But yeah, it's so simple and I love how easy these are. Once you apply all the appliques and smooth them down as much as possible, apply one thin coat of the same color you used over top. So I quickly added a matte top coat off camera, and when I was done, I wasn't really feeling the gray nails as much. I think some of it had to do with the color, and since those nails are quite curved, I noticed some of the sides weren't completely flat with the nail. But I did really like the other 2 nails, so what I did is I took off those gray nails because I wasn't happy with them. But I quickly came up with a plan B, so what I did was reapply the gray nail polish. And I applied a matte top coat so they would match the other nails. And once those were completely dry, I went and got my nail glue, as well as some rhinestones because we're going to add some bling. I applied one larger jewel near the cuticle. Wow, I can't speak. And I applied 2 smaller jewels along the side. And I added one lonely jewel to my pinky nail. But that's it for this video. Let me know what you thought and if you think you were going to be trying out this new Sally Hansen product. And subscribe for more videos like this one.